and today I'm back again with another video, and actually, but I'm back now and it's summer, so like you are about to see a whole bunch of videos coming at you from moi. So anyways, today's video is basically just going to be a as you read in the title, types of people that you see on Snapchat. So anyways, so we all know, for those who have Snapchat, that there are many kinds of people that we see on Snapchat, be it the smokers, be it the people that are always lip syncing, be it the oh my god I gotta snap everything, and that's like me. But there are a lot of different types of Snapchat users, and I'm basically bringing that video alive to you just to see if anyone can relate or not. But yeah, if you can relate to this video, make sure you tell me. And yeah, so without further ado, we are just going to get right into the fabulous, magical, beautiful, enchanted, okay, let's not do that, we're just gonna get into the video. Bye guys.
Hey now, you're an all-star.
So this person basically is what the title is. They game a lot, they play games a lot, they are always on gaming consoles or whatever.
I'm sick and tired of these random players. Like, you know what? Let me see if someone on Snapchat has a PS4, Xbox, and they can hit me up so we can play together. Because I cannot stand these people.
Oh, in the satellite picture, the ice we skate.
Who wants to play with me?
The world's on fire. How about yours? That's the way I like. It's the final countdown.
This Snapchat user basically lip syncs a lot. Also, this person is always like tucking their hair behind their back, or wearing so much lip gloss, or not even singing the right lyrics. So this person shows off a lot on their Snap. They are basically like the Kylie Jenner on Snapchat. I literally told my mom to give me the red MK bag, and she got me the blue MK bag. Like, what the frick? Like, I'm not using that. Hey Snapchat, so like I literally just went shopping a few minutes ago. Like my dad just randomly gave me like $500 and I had to spend it. Like, I can't save that. And I just want to show you guys what I got from the store. I also got this bag. Like, this is a Chanel bag. Like, it's so expensive, you guys can afford it. Also, if you guys can see, I have like a lot of clothes that I don't want, and I'm gonna get more, so like, you know, hit me up guys. The next person that I have on here for types of Snapchat users is that one Snapchat user that always records everything.
You take me places that tear up my reputation, manipulate my decisions. Baby, there's nothing holding me back. There's nothing holding me back.
So what I mean by this person is that they would want to start a lot of streaks. Like, they want a whole bunch of streaks, and in this in all the streaks they send, it's always an S, or it always says streaks. See what's on Snapchat today. I hate when people do that. Okay, so the next snapper you have on Snapchat is that one user that posts way too much. This type of person you see on Snapchat, you have to click.
Oh my god, I do not feel like watching this person's snaps, but I have been an unloyal watcher, so
2,000 years later.
Oh my god, the sun is out. that one Snapchat user that doesn't like to post, but they like to read.
Three hours later.
So basically this one person is the kind of person that you want to watch their snap. Hey Snapchat gang, so I just want to tell you guys a little story of what happened today at the movie theater. Yes, no, not even at the movie theater. And if you tell and you will up. And I know that a lot of you guys might be like, why is this girl on the floor? Basically the end. We have come to the end of this video, and I really hope you guys did enjoy it, and I will see you guys next time. Okay, bye.